हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल कोर 8 जे आम समस्त क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन कर सारी आज देखा कोर 9 रो क्वेश्चन ठारू तो चलते स्टार्ट करवा आज वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिफाइंस ए टेक्स्ट इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन है ए सिस्टम ऑफ पनिशमेंट्स, a tool used to diagnose diseases, a tool to collect information about learners' performance, a type of teaching method. Our answer of option number C, a tool to collect information about learners' performance. A test is a structured tool or instrument used to measure students' knowledge, skills, or performance in a specific area. तापर 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज मेजरमेंट इन एजुकेशन प्राइमरीली रेफर टू। ऑप्शन है जजिंग स्टूडेंट्स बिहेवियर, क्वांटिफाइंग लर्नर परफॉर्मेंस यूजिंग नंबर्स, कंडक्टिंग इंटरव्यूज विथ टीचर्स, इवैल्यूएटिंग मोरल वैल्यूज। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी क्वालिफाइंग लर्नर परफॉर्मेंस यूजिंग नंबर्स। Measurement is the process of assigning numerical values to learners' attributes like test scores or achievement levels. तापर 3 number question which of the following statements accurately defines evaluation? Option है only focuses on final results, the process of giving punishment for wrong answers, judging the value or worth of a learning outcome, providing random feedback. Our answer of option number C, judging the value or worth of a learning outcome. Evaluation involves interpreting measurement results to make value judgments about learners' progress, teaching effectiveness, or educational programs. तापर 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज असेसमेंट डिफर फ्रॉम टेस्टिंग। ऑप्शन है असेसमेंट इज लेस इंपोर्टेंट देन टेस्टिंग, असेसमेंट इंक्लूड्स ए ब्रॉडर रेंज ऑफ टूल्स बियॉन्ड टेस्ट, असेसमेंट इज यूज्ड ओनली इन साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स, असेसमेंट डज नॉट इंक्लूड फीडबैक। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी असेसमेंट इंक्लूड्स ए ब्रॉडर रेंज ऑफ टूल्स बियॉन्ड टेस्ट. Assessment is a continuous process involving both formal and informal methods. Example is quizzes, projects, observations to understand and improve student learning. तापर 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following correctly shows the relationship among test, measurement, evaluation and assessment. ऑप्शन है इवैल्यूएशन, टेस्ट, मेजरमेंट, असेसमेंट, टेस्ट, मेजरमेंट, असेसमेंट, इवैल्यूएशन, असेसमेंट, इवैल्यूएशन, मेजरमेंट, टेस्ट, मेजरमेंट, टेस्ट, इवैल्यूएशन, असेसमेंट. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी टेस्ट, मेजरमेंट, असेसमेंट, इवैल्यूएशन. ए टेस्ट प्रोवाइड्स डाटा जोटा कि मेजरमेंट which is used in assessment होचे analyzing student progress and evaluation is the final judgment about effectiveness of achievement. तापर 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is the lowest level of measurement. ऑप्शन है nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर ए nominal. The nominal scale is the most basic level of measurement. It classifies data into distinct categories without any order. Example is gender or religion. तापर 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन in which scale of measurement is order important but the difference between values is not meaningful. Option है nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Our answer of option number B ordinal. The ordinal scale ranks data in order first, second, third, but the intervals between ranks are not equal to specified. तापर 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन which scale of measurement includes equal intervals between values but lacks a true 0 point. ऑप्शन है nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Our answer of option number C interval. The interval scale has equal distance between points. Example temperature in Celsius but no absolute zero. Zero does not mean the absence of the variable. तापर 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन which scale of measurement possesses all the features like categorization, order, equal intervals and a zero and a true 0 point. Our option is nominal ordinal interval ratio. Our answer of option number D, ratio. The ratio scale includes all characteristics of other scales and also has a true 0, example weight, height, age, allowing for comparison in absolute terms. तापर 10 number question, which of the following is an example of interval scale data? Option A is student roll numbers, temperature in Fahrenheit, weight in kilograms, ranking in a race. Our answer of option number B, temperature in Fahrenheit. Temperature in Fahrenheit is measured on an interval scale. It has equal units but no true 0. Like 0 degree Fahrenheit does not mean no temperature. तापर 11 number question, which type of assessment compares a student's performance to that of other students? Option A, criterion reference test, norm reference test, diagnostic test, formative test. Our answer of option number B, norm reference test. A norm reference test where NRT evaluates a student's performance relative to a group. It shows how a student performs in comparison to others. तापर 12 number question, in text designed to determine whether a student has mastered specific skills or concepts is called. Option A, norm reference test, aptitude test, criterion reference test, summative test. Our answer of option number C, criterion reference test. A criterion reference test CRT measures student performance against a set standard or learning objective, not against other students. तापर 13 number question, which of the following is the main purpose of a norm reference test? Option A, to measure mastery of content, to compare students to a norm group, to determine readiness of promotion, to provide diagnostic feedback. Our answer of option number B, to compare students to a norm group. Norm reference test aim to rank students and identify high and low performers relative to an average or normative group. तापर 14 number question, which statement best describes a criterion reference test? Option A, it is always timed and standardized. It determines how well students perform relative to others. It identifies whether specific objectives have been met. It does not provide feedback on student performance. Our answer of option number C, it identifies whether specific objectives have been met. Criterion reference test evaluate whether a student has achieved defined objectives or skills, making them suitable for instructional planning. तापर 15 number question, which of the following is an example of a criterion referenced assessment? Option A, IQ test, National Achievement Survey, driving license test, standardized entrance test. Our answer of option number C, driving license test. A driving license test is a criterion referenced assessment because it checks whether the candidate meets a predefined standard of competence. तापर 16 number question, which type of evaluation is conducted before instruction begins to assess the learner's prior knowledge? Our option is summative evaluation, formative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation, placement evaluation. Our answer of option number D, placement evaluation. Placement evaluation is used as the beginning of instruction to determine the student's existing knowledge, skills and learning readiness, helping teachers group learners appropriately. तापर 17 number question, what is the main purpose of formative evaluation? Option A, to grade students at the end of the course, to compare student performance with peers, to provide continuous feedback for improvement, to determine the cause of learning difficulties. Our answer of option number C, to provide continuous feedback for improvement. Formative evaluation is an ongoing process used during instruction to give timely feedback and guide teaching and learning for better outcomes. तापर 18 number question, a teacher notices a student is struggling with basic math concepts and gives a special test to identify the exact problem. This is an example of option A, placement evaluation, summative evaluation, formative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation. Our answer of option number D, diagnostic evaluation. Diagnostic evaluation is used to identify specific learning difficulties and their causes to appropriate remedial measures can be taken. तापर 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which type of evaluation is conducted at the end of a term or instructional period to assess overall achievement? ऑप्शन अच्छे प्लेसमेंट इवैल्यूएशन, फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन, डायग्नोस्टिक इवैल्यूएशन, समेटिव इवैल्यूएशन. Our answer of option number D, summative evaluation. Summative evaluation is conducted after instruction ends to assess the learner's achievement of course objectives and is often used for grading or certification. तापर 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following evaluations helps in modifying teaching strategies during the instructional process? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी डायग्नोस्टिक इवैल्यूएशन, समेटिव इवैल्यूएशन, फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन, प्लेसमेंट इवैल्यूएशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन. Formative evaluation is used during the learning process to make immediate improvements in teaching methods and student learning through regular feedback. तापर 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज द टर्म continuous and comprehensive evaluation primarily refer to? ऑप्शन अच्छी evaluation only at the end of the academic year, periodic testing at long intervals, regular and ongoing assessment throughout the year, evaluation only through final exams. Our answer of option number C, regular and ongoing assessment throughout the year. Continuous means that assessment is carried out on a regular basis throughout the academic session to monitor the progress and development of students consistently. तापर 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज द टर्म कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन सीसीई एम्फासाइज? ऑप्शन अच्छी ओनली कॉग्निटिव लर्निंग आउटकम्स, असेसिंग ओनली एकेडमिक नॉलेज, holistic evaluation including both scholastic and co-scholastic aspects, grading only through written exams. Our answer of option number C, holistic evaluation including both scholastic and co-scholastic aspects. Comprehensive implies the evaluation of both academic and non-academic aspects like attitudes, values, life skills and extracurricular activities. तापर 23 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a key advantage of CCE? ऑप्शन अच्छी focuses only on exam results, encourages rote memorization, reduces exam stress by spreading assessment over time, limits students-teacher interaction. Our answer of option number C, reduces exam stress by spreading assessment over time. CCE lowers pressure on students by evaluating them through multiple tools and methods across the year rather than relying solely on one final exam. तापर 24 नंबर क्वेश्चन, कंटिन्यूअस एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इवैल्यूएशन हेल्प्स इन ऑप्शन अच्छे प्रमोटिंग कंपटीशन एमंग स्टूडेंट्स, आइडेंटिफाइंग लर्निंग गैप्स अर्ली एंड प्रोवाइडिंग टाइमली इंटरवेंशन, assigning punishment for poor performance, restricting learning to textbooks. Our answer of option number B, identifying learning gaps early and providing timely interventions. CCE allows teachers to crack learning difficulties and provide remedial support as needed, fostering effective learning. तापर 25 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following tools is not typically used in CCE? ऑप्शन अच्छी प्रोजेक्ट वर्क, ओरल टेस्ट, फाइनल बोर्ड एग्जाम्स ओनली, सेल्फ एंड peer assessment. Our answer of option number C, final board exams only. CCE encourages the use of diverse assessment tools like projects, quizzes and self-assessment rather than depending solely on final exams. तापर 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हु डेवलप्ड द टैक्सोनॉमी ऑफ एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स फॉर द कॉग्निटिव डोमेन? ऑप्शन अच्छी जीन पियाजेट, बेंजामिन ब्लूम, हावर्ड गार्डनर, जॉन ड्यूए. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बेंजामिन ब्लूम. Benjamin Bloom developed a taxonomy to classify educational objectives, especially in the cognitive domain, into hierarchical levels of complexity and specificity. तापर 27 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ लेवल्स इन द कॉग्निटिव डोमेन ऑफ ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी रिवाइज्ड वर्जन रे? ऑप्शन अच्छी रिमेंबर, अंडरस्टैंड, अप्लाई, एनालाइज, इवैल्यूएट, क्रिएट. अंडरस्टैंड, रिमेंबर, अप्लाई, क्रिएट, इवैल्यूएट, एनालाइज. apply, remember, understand, create, analyze, evaluate. Create, evaluate, analyze, apply, understand, remember. Our answer of option number A. First is remember, tapare understand, tapare apply, tapare analyze, tapare evaluate, tapare create. Remember hochi recall facts, understand hochi explain ideas, apply hochi use information in new situations, analyze hochi draw connections among ideas, evaluate hochi justify a decision, create hochi produce new or original work. तापर 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच लेवल ऑफ ब्लूम्स कॉग्निटिव डोमेन involves breaking information into parts to explore relationships. Option A apply, analyze, evaluate, understand. Our answer of option number B analyze. The analyze level involves examining components and understanding their relationship and organizational structure such as comparing, contrasting or breaking down concepts. तापर 29 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए स्टूडेंट डिजाइनिंग ए न्यू साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट डेमोन्स्ट्रेट्स व्हिच लेवल ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डोमेन. ऑप्शन ए अंडरस्टैंड, अप्लाई, क्रिएट, इवैल्यूएट. आवर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी क्रिएट. The create level is the highest level in the cognitive domain. It involves producing original work by assembling elements together in a novel way. तापर 30 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पज ऑफ यूजिंग ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी इन एजुकेशन. ऑप्शन ए टू मेक लेसन्स लॉन्गर, टू improve school attendance, to classify learning objectives and guide teaching strategies, to conduct school inspections. Our answer of option number C to classify learning objectives and guide teaching strategies. Bloom's taxonomy provides a structured framework for teachers to design learning objectives, assessment and teaching activities targeting various levels of thinking and understanding. तापर 31 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी डिफरेंस बिटवीन जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड स्पेसिफिक लर्निंग आउटकम्स. ऑप्शन ए अछि GIOs आर मोर डिटेल्ड देन SLO. GIO होची जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव आ SLO होची स्पेसिफिक लर्निंग आउटकम. SLOs आर ब्रॉडर एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. GIOs describe broad goals. SLOs describe measurable behaviors. GIOs are written by students. SLOs by teachers. Our answer of option number C. GIOs describe broad goals. SLOs describe measurable behavior. GIOs refer to general educational goals or what the teacher intends to achieve in a broad sense. SLOs, on the other hand, break these down into specific, measurable and observable outcomes. तापर 32 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following best represents a specific learning outcomes. Option A students will understand the concept of democracy. Students will appreciate poetry. Students will be able to define and explain democracy with 2 examples. Students will know about historical events. Our answer of option number C. Students will be able to define and explain democracy with 2 examples. The statement is clear, specific and measurable, making it a valid SLO. It indicates what the students should do and how understanding will be assessed. तापर 33 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच डोमेन ऑफ लर्निंग इज यूजुअली कंसीडर्ड व्हाइल फार्मिंग इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ऑप्शन ए कॉग्निटिव, अफेक्टिव, साइकोमोटर, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. आवर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Instructional objectives can be formed for the cognitive domain like knowledge, affective domain attitudes and psychomotor domain skills depending on the learning goals. तापर 34 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी SLOs आर रिटेन यूजिंग व्हिच टाइप ऑफ verbs. ऑप्शन ए ambiguous verbs, abstract verbs, action verbs, passive verbs. Our answer of option number C action verbs. Action verbs such as define, classify, solve, compare are used in writing SLOs, ensuring the objective is observable and accessible. तापर 35 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू फॉर्मुलेट स्पेसिफिक लर्निंग आउटकम्स इन इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्लानिंग. आर ऑप्शन अच्छे टू इम्प्रेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स, to increase the content of the textbook, to make evaluation and teaching more focused and effective, to reduce student-teacher interaction. Our answer of option number C, to make evaluation and teaching more focused and effective. SLOs help both teachers and students by clarifying expectations, guiding instruction, and facilitating evaluation through clear measurable outcomes. तापर 36 number question, what is the primary purpose of evaluation in the teaching learning process? Option A to assign grades to students, to punish low performing students, to assess how well learning objectives have been achieved, to complete curriculum requirements. Our answer of option number C, to assess how well learning objectives have been achieved. Evaluation is directly linked to learning objectives and is used to determine whether the desired learning outcomes have been achieved. It helps in judging the effectiveness of instruction. तापर 37 number question, why most instructional objectives be clearly defined before conducting an evaluation? Option A to make an exam paper easier, to randomly select test questions, to ensure evaluation tools match learning goals, to finish the syllabus on time. Our answer of option number C, to ensure evaluation tools match learning goals. Clearly defined objectives allow the teacher to design appropriate assessment methods that accurately measure what students are expected to learn. तापर 38 number question, which of the following best illustrates the alignment between objectives and evaluation? Our option H, objective होची understanding photosynthesis, evaluation होची spell photosynthesis. Objective होची identify parts of speech, evaluation होची classify words in sentences. Objectives होची appreciate poetry, evaluation होची solve math problems. Objective होची know historical events, evaluation होची draw a map of India. Our answer of option number B, objective होची identify parts of speech, evaluation होची classify words in sentences. This option shows a direct alignment between the learning objectives and the evaluation activity, which is critical for meaningful assessment. तापर 39 number question, what happens if there is a mismatch between instructional objectives and evaluation methods? Option A, evaluation becomes more creative, learning becomes more enjoyable, evaluation fails to reflect true student learning, objectives automatically change. Our answer of option number C, evaluation fails to reflect true student learning. If evaluation methods do not reflect the objectives, the assessment may be irrelevant or misleading, giving inaccurate information about students' understanding. तापर 40 number question, which of the following is an example of an evaluation procedure that matches an affective domain objective? Option A, multiple choice quiz on scientific terms, observing students' participation in group discussion, solving algebra problems, lab experiments in chemistry. Our answer of option number B, observing students' participation in group discussion. The affective domain deals with attitudes, values and emotions. Observation of participation and behavior is suitable method to assess such objectives. तापर 41 number question, what is the first step in constructing an objective based test? Option A, selecting test items randomly, identifying learning objectives, giving instructions, setting a time limit. Our answer of option number B, identifying learning objectives. The foundation of any test is the learning objectives. These guide the content, format and evaluation criteria of the test items. तापर 42 number question, which of the following is not a characteristic of objective type test items? Option A, clear and unambiguous, is easy to score, subjective judgment required, covers wide content. Our answer of option number C, subjective judgment required. Objective type items are scored without subjectivity, making them reliable and consistent across evaluators. तापर 43 number question, essay type test items are best suited for assessing which of the following? Option A, factual recall, logical reasoning and expression, objective knowledge, multiple concepts at once. Our answer of option number B, logical reasoning and expression. Essay type questions evaluate a student's ability to organize thoughts, apply logic and express ideas which cannot be captured through objective items. तापर 44 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट आइटम. ऑप्शन अच्छी राइट ए पैराग्राफ ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज, डिफाइन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग, डिस्कस द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑन एजुकेशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. Objective type questions include multiple choice, true, false and matching items which have a specific correct answer. तापर 45 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ए की एडवांटेज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप आइटम्स इज. ऑप्शन अच्छे दे रिक्वायर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, दे अलाउ क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन, दे आर इजी एंड क्विक टू स्कोर, दे डिस्करेज गेसिंग. Our answer of option number C, they are easy and quick to score. Objective type items are machine scoreable or easily marked, allowing for quick and reliable assessment. तापर 46 नंबर क्वेश्चन, वन मेजर लिमिटेशन ऑफ एसे टाइप आइटम्स इज. ऑप्शन अच्छे दे प्रमोट क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, they allow detailed answers, scoring can be subjective and inconsistent, they are time saving. Our answer of option number C, scoring can be subjective and inconsistent. Essay type test often involve personal judgment which can lead to variability in scores. तापर 47 नंबर क्वेश्चन, इन टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ वैलिडिटी रेफर्स टू. ऑप्शन अच्छे द टेस्ट एज टू स्कोरिंग, द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ रिजल्ट्स, the test measuring what it intends to measure, the length of the test. Our answer of option number C, the test measuring what it intends to measure. Validity ensures that the test accurately assesses the intended learning objectives. तापर 48 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which principle ensures that a test yields the same result upon repetition. आर ऑप्शन अच्छी वैलिडिटी, यूजेबिलिटी, रिलायबिलिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रिलायबिलिटी. ए रिलायबल टेस्ट प्रोवाइड्स कंसिस्टेंट आउटकम्स ओवर रिपीटेड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, assuming no change in the examiner's abilities. तापर 49 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन इन्वॉल्व्स. ऑप्शन अच्छे आस्किंग क्रिएटिविटी एंड ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस, टेस्टिंग बेस्ड ओनली ऑन टेक्स्ट बुक कंटेंट, linking each question to a specific instructional objective, giving students full freedom to respond. Our answer of option number C, linking each questions to a specific instructional objective. Objective based test ensures that each test items evaluates a particular learning outcome. तापर 50 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए लिमिटेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ऑप्शन अच्छी कैन नॉट एसेस हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग, रिक्वायर मोर टाइम टू इवैल्यूएट, एनकरेज सब्जेक्टिविटी इन स्कोरिंग, lack clarity in questions. Our answer of option number A, cannot assess higher order thinking. While objective tests are good for assessing knowledge and comprehension, they often fail to measure analysis, synthesis or evaluation skills. तापर 51 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a qualitative technique of assessment. ऑप्शन अच्छे मल्टीपल चॉइस टेस्ट, checklist, interview, true or false test. Our answer of option number C, interview. Interviews provide in-depth qualitative data about attitudes, feelings and perceptions. तापर 52 नंबर क्वेश्चन, a checklist is primarily used to. ऑप्शन अच्छे evaluate essay writings, record presence or absence of specific behaviors, conduct oral exams, grade standardized test. Our answer of option number B, record presence or absence of specific behaviors. A checklist marks whether a specific criterion is met or not. तापर 53 नंबर क्वेश्चन, रेटिंग स्केल्स आर यूज्ड इन असेसमेंट टू. ऑप्शन अच्छी कैलकुलेट टेस्ट स्कोर्स, rank students based on test performance, measure the degree or frequency of a behavior or skill, eliminate bias in grading. Our answer of option number C, measure the degree or frequency of a behavior or skill. Rating scales provide a range to indicate intensity or quality of performance. तापर 54 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच टेक्निक इज मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट टू असेस हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स ऑप्शन अच्छी इंटरव्यू ऑब्जर्वेशन कॉन्सेप्ट मैपिंग चेकलिस्ट आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी कॉन्सेप्ट मैपिंग कॉन्सेप्ट मैप्स शो हाउ स्टूडेंट्स कनेक्ट एंड ऑर्गेनाइज नॉलेज तापर 55 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑब्जर्वेशन इज कंसीडर्ड ए वैल्यूएबल टूल इन असेसमेंट बिकॉज ऑप्शन अच्छी इट इज ऑलवेज ऑब्जेक्टिव इट एलिमिनेट्स बायस it allows real-time assessment of behavior and learning. It is quantitative in nature. Our answer of option number C. It allows real-time assessment of behavior and learning. Observations provide fast-hand data on student behavior and interaction. तापर 56 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन एन इंटरव्यू बेस्ड असेसमेंट द प्राइमरी रोल ऑफ द टीचर इज टू ऑप्शन ए प्रोवाइड फीडबैक ऑब्जर्व साइलेंटली आस्क प्रोबिंग एंड ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस ग्रेड आंसर्स न्यूमेरिकली आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी आस्क प्रोबिंग एंड ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस effective interviews rely on open ended questions to gain insights तापर 57 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए रेटिंग स्केल that uses categories like always sometimes and never is a option है nominal scale Likert scale Dichotomous scale frequency count our answer of option number B Likert scale Likert scale measures levels of agreement or frequency तापर 58 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड असेसमेंट इज मोस्ट सुइटेबल फॉर असेसिंग ऑप्शन अच्छी ऑब्जेक्टिव नॉलेज मेमोराइजेशन प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स अटेंशन स्पैन आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स प्रोजेक्ट्स रिक्वायर सिंथेसिस एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉलेज तापर 59 नंबर क्वेश्चन द मेन लिमिटेशन ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन एज एन असेसमेंट टेक्निक इज option A it's too quick it lacks validity it can be subjective and biased it does not reflect behavior our answer of option number C it can be subjective and biased observer bias can influence interpretations unless standardized tools are used तापर 60 नंबर क्वेश्चन कॉन्सेप्ट मैप्स हेल्प इन ऑप्शन ए चेकिंग ग्रामर memorizing facts understanding relationship between concepts following class rules our answer of option number C understanding relationships between concepts they graphically represent how concepts are related तापर 61 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए टीचर ऑब्जर्विंग ग्रुप एक्टिविटी टू assess social skills is using ऑप्शन अच्छी इंटरव्यू टेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर डी ऑब्जर्वेशन सोशल स्किल्स आर बेस्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड इन नेचुरल ग्रुप इंटरैक्शंस तापर 62 नंबर क्वेश्चन एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ए प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड असेसमेंट इज ऑप्शन अच्छी राइटिंग एन एसे बिल्डिंग ए मॉडल ऑन एनवायरमेंटल कन्वर्सेशन फिलिंग ए क्वेश्चनेयर टेकिंग ए मल्टीपल चॉइस क्विज आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी बिल्डिंग ए मॉडल ऑन environmental conservation projects involve hands-on application of knowledge तापर 63 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is best suited for assessing attitudes ऑप्शन है checklist connect map rating scale essay test our answer of option number C rating scales can quantify subjective attitudes तापर 64 नंबर क्वेश्चन वन एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग चेकलिस्ट इन असेसमेंट इज ऑप्शन है दे आर कॉम्प्लेक्स टू प्रिपेयर दे प्रोवाइड डिटेल्ड क्वांटिटेटिव डाटा दे सिंप्लीफाई द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर दे आर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी दे सिंप्लीफाई द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर चेकलिस्ट मेक इट इजी टू नोट इट इफ स्पेसिफिक बिहेवियर्स ऑकवर्ड तापर 65 नंबर क्वेश्चन concept mapping encourages option H guesswork rote learning critical thinking physical activity our answer of option number C critical thinking concept mapping helps organize and integrate knowledge critically तापर 66 नंबर क्वेश्चन द validity of an interview depends on largely on option H the length of the interview the personality of the student the skill of the interviewer the number of questions asked our answer of option number C the skill of the interviewer skilled interviewers elicit meaningful and valid responses तापर 67 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन असेसमेंट ए चेकलिस्ट शुड कंटेन ऑप्शन है ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस बिहेवियरल इंडिकेटर्स only student names, true or false items. Our answer of option number B, behavioral indicators. Each item should clearly define a behavior to the checked. ତାପରେ 68 number question, a limitation of concept mapping is option A, it lacks creativity, it only works in science subjects, it may be difficult for students unfamiliar with the technique, it does not show connections. Our answer of option number C, it may be difficult for students unfamiliar with the technique. Students new to concept mapping may struggle without guidance. ତାପରେ 69 number question, the technique that allows a teacher to assess students process and product is option A, test, observation, interview, project work. Our answer of option number D, project work. Project assess both the process of doing and the final product. ତାପରେ 70 number question, rating scales and checklist differ mainly in that option A, rating scales show levels of performance, checklist do not. Checklist are more detailed, rating scales are objective, checklist are subjective, checklist are for attitudes. Our answer of option number A, rating scales show levels of performance, checklist do not. Checklist are binary, yes or no, while rating scales measure degrees. तापर 71 number question, which of the following is a key characteristic of standardized test? Option A, it is constructed by individual teachers for their own class. It is tailored to specific needs of a single classroom. It follows uniform procedures for administration and scoring. It cannot be used for comparison across different schools. Our answer of option number C, it follows uniform procedures for administration and scoring. Standardized tests are developed under controlled conditions and are administered and scored uniformly to ensure comparability across settings. तापर 72 number question, a major advantage of teacher made test is that they option A, are always statistically reliable, can be customized to match specific instructional objectives, eliminate all types of bias, are free from teacher subjectivity. Our answer of option number B, can be customized to match specific instructional objectives. Teacher made tests are designed based on what was taught in class, making them more directly aligned with the curriculum and immediate learning goals. तापर 73 number question, one of the limitations of teacher made test is that they usually option A, cover a national curriculum, go through rigorous standardization procedures, lack statistical data on reliability and validity, are used for university entrance exams. Our answer of option number C, lack statistical data on reliability and validity. Teacher made test often don't undergo and formal testing for reliability and validity that standardized tests do. तापर 74 number question, standardized tests are most appropriate when the goal is to option A, evaluate individual teacher effectiveness, provide feedback to students on daily lessons, compare student achievement across schools or regions, check if students completed their homework. Our answer of option number C, compare student achievement across schools or regions. Due to their consistency and large scale norms, standardized tests are useful for comparative and large scale evaluation. तापर 75 number question, which of the following is not a typical feature of a teacher made test? Option A, content tailored to current classroom instruction, easy and quick to develop, non-referenced scoring system, informal or flexible administration. Our answer of option number C, non-referenced scoring system. Teacher made tests usually use criterion referenced approaches and are not designed to compare students to a national or external non-group. तापर 76 number question, which is the first step in the process of test construction? Option A, preparing the test items, evaluating the test, planning the test, trying out the test. Our answer of option number C, planning the test. The process of test construction begins with planning, which include defining objectives, determining the content area, and selecting the type of test. तापर 77 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पज ऑफ द ट्राइंग आउट स्टेज इन टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑप्शन अच्छी टू एडमिनिस्टर द टेस्ट टू द एंटायर पॉपुलेशन टू चेक द डिफिकल्टी लेवल एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पावर ऑफ आइटम्स the to score the text to finalize the design of the cover page. Our answer of option number B to check the difficulty level and discrimination power of items. Trying out or piloting the text involves administering to a sample group to analyze item performance and refine test items before final use. तापर 78 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच एक्टिविटी इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द प्रिपेयरिंग द टेस्ट फेज ऑफ टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑप्शन अच्छे डिफाइनिंग द लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स analyzing item difficulty writing and formatting test items interpreting results. Our answer of option number C writing and formatting test items. Preparing the test includes selecting or creating test items, formatting and organizing them according to the blueprint. तापर 79 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन द इवैल्यूएशन फेज ऑफ टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट इज प्राइमरीली असेस्ड ऑप्शन अच्छी स्टूडेंट परफॉर्मेंस टीचर्स इफेक्टिवनेस रिलायबिलिटी एंड वैलिडिटी ऑफ द टेस्ट नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी रिलायबिलिटी एंड वैलिडिटी ऑफ द टेस्ट evaluation involves analyzing test reliability validity usability and other statistical properties to ensure the quality and fairness of the test. तापर 80 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following best describes the purpose of standardizing a test ऑप्शन है to make it more difficult to personalize it for individual students to ensure consistency and comparability of scores to reduce the number of questions. Our answer of option number C to ensure consistency and comparability of scores. Standardization involves uniform administration, scoring and interpretation of test results, allowing scores to be compared across populations. तापर 81 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following best defines reliability in educational assessment ऑप्शन है the ability of a test to measure what it intends to measure, the consistency of test scores over repeated applications, the age of administrating the test, the relevance of test content to learning objectives. Our answer of option number B the consistency of test scores over repeated applications. Reliability refers to the consistency of or stability of scores obtained from a test over time. तापर 82 नंबर क्वेश्चन which method is commonly used to check internal consistency reliability ऑप्शन है split half method, predictive validity, inter-rater reliability, test retest method. Our answer of option number A split half method. The split half method divides the test into two parts and compares results from both to measure internal consistency. तापर 83 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिलायबिलिटी इज मेजर्ड व्हेन द सेम टेस्ट इज गिवन ट्वाइस टू द सेम ग्रुप आफ्टर ए पीरियड ऑप्शन है अल्टरनेट फ्रॉम रिलायबिलिटी, टेस्ट रिटेस्ट रिलायबिलिटी, इंटरनल कंसिस्टेंसी, फेस वैलिडिटी. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी टेस्ट रिटेस्ट वैलिडिटी. टेस्ट रिटेस्ट वैलिडिटी एग्जामिन्स द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ स्कोर्स ओवर टाइम. तापर 84 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following affects the reliability of a test the most ऑप्शन है length of the test, font style used in test, color of paper, the age of the examines. Our answer of option number A length of the test. Longer tests generally tend to be more reliable as they cover more content and reduce measurement error. तापर 85 नंबर क्वेश्चन इंटर-रेटर रिलायबिलिटी इज इंपोर्टेंट फॉर ऑप्शन है ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट, सब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट, ट्रू फॉल्स टेस्ट, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी सब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट. इंटर-रेटर रिलायबिलिटी मेजर्स द एग्रीमेंट among different evaluators, specially important in or performance based assessments. तापर 86 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following best describes validity in testing ऑप्शन है consistency of test results, alignment with learner interest, accuracy in measuring what it is intended to measure, age to scoring. Our answer of option number C accuracy in measuring what it is intended to measure. Validity is the extent to which a test measures what it purports to measure. तापर 87 number question. Content validity ensures that a test option is it consistent in results, covers the subject matter appropriately, can be used with different age groups, can predict future performance. Our answer of option number B, covers the subject matter appropriately. Content validity examines whether the test content fully represents the learning objectives or domain. तापर 88 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच टाइप ऑफ वैलिडिटी इज कंसर्न्ड विथ प्रेडिक्टिंग फ्यूचर परफॉर्मेंस. ऑप्शन ए कंस्ट्रक्ट वैलिडिटी, कंटेंट वैलिडिटी, प्रेडिक्टिव वैलिडिटी, कॉन्करेंट वैलिडिटी. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, प्रेडिक्टिव वैलिडिटी. Predictive validity refers to the extent to which test scores forecast future outcomes. तापर 89 नंबर क्वेश्चन construct validity refers to option is the appearance of a test to measure a construct, agreement between two forms of a test, the theoretical foundation behind the test, consistency of scores among raters. Our answer of option number C, the theoretical foundation behind the test. Construct validity evaluates how well a test measures the theoretical construct it is supposed to measure. तापर 90 नंबर क्वेश्चन फेस वैलिडिटी इज बेस्ड ऑन ऑप्शन ए स्टैटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस, एक्सपर्ट रिव्यू, फास्ट इंप्रेशन और सुपरफिशियल जजमेंट, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल स्टडीज. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, फास्ट इंप्रेशन और सुपरफिशियल जजमेंट. फेस वैलिडिटी इज टू एक्सटेंड टू व्हिच a test appears effective in terms of its stated aims to users or test takers. तापर 91 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिविटी इन इवैल्यूएशन implies ऑप्शन ए द टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स आर रिलायबल ओवर टाइम, पर्सनल बायसेस डू नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द रिजल्ट्स, द टेस्ट कैन बी administered to large groups, the test is valid and fair. Our answer of option number B, personal biases do not influence the results. Objectivity means the results of the test are free from the scores, personal biases or subjectivity. तापर 92 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following types of questions is considered most objective. ऑप्शन ए essay questions, short answer questions, multiple choice questions, oral exams. Our answer of option number C, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice items have clear correct answers, minimize scorer bias, hence highly objective. तापर 93 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच फैक्टर मोस्ट अफेक्ट्स ऑब्जेक्टिविटी इन स्कोरिंग. ऑप्शन ए क्लैरिटी ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, एग्जामिनर्स मूड, स्ट्रक्चर्ड मार्किंग स्कीम, background of students. Our answer of option number C, structured marking scheme. A clear and detailed marking scheme enhances objectivity by providing uniform criteria. तापर 94 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिविटी increases when ऑप्शन ए टेस्ट क्वेश्चंस आर ambiguous, multiple examiners evaluate essays differently, scoring is based on preset criteria, feedback is delayed. Our answer of option number C, scoring is based on preset criteria. Using preset criteria or rubrics reduces personal interpretation or improves scoring objectivity. तापर 95 नंबर क्वेश्चन oral examinations usually have ऑप्शन ए high objectivity, low objectivity, high validity, no reliability. Our answer of option number B, low objectivity. Oral exams are typically subjective and influenced by examiner judgments, leading to lower objectivity. तापर 96 नंबर क्वेश्चन यूजेबिलिटी इन ए टेस्ट रेफर्स टू ऑप्शन ए टेस्ट टेकर satisfaction, cost, time and ease of administration, number of questions, difficulty level. Our answer of option number B, cost, time and ease of administration. Usability evaluates the practicability of a test in terms of ease of use, time, cost and scoring. तापर 97 नंबर क्वेश्चन a test that takes too long to complete may have low ऑप्शन ए validity, reliability, usability, objectivity. Our answer of option number C, usability. Excessive time requirements lower a test usability, making it impractical in classroom settings. तापर 98 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए कंपोनेंट ऑफ यूजेबिलिटी ऑप्शन अछि टाइम रिक्वायर्ड स्कोरिंग complexity bias in questions age on administration our answer of option number C bias in questions bias affects validity not usability concerns how practical the test is to administer and score तापर 99 नंबर क्वेश्चन यूजेबिलिटी इज important in ऑप्शन अछि constructing large scale standardized test measuring personality conducting interviews writing lesson plans our answer of option number A constructing large scale standardized test in standardized test usability ensures that test can be efficiently implemented across many test takers तापर 100 नंबर क्वेश्चन द यूज ऑफ ऑनलाइन टेस्ट इन क्लासरूम एनहांसेस यूजेबिलिटी ड्यू टू ऑप्शन अछि मैनुअल स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्टिव फीडबैक क्विक ऑटोमेटेड स्कोरिंग एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी पेपर बेस्ड distribution our answer of option number C quick automated scoring and flexibility online platforms often allow for quick scoring flexibility in timing and ease of use improving usability कोर 9 रो सब क्वेश्चन आंसर सरी गला हमें नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे देखबा कोर 10 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर जदि वीडियो भल लागुचे लाइक करंतु और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।